start out by curling your eyelashes and applying a base to your eyes. I'm using NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Begin by applying a matte forest green eyeshadow through the crease and wing it out slightly towards the end of the brow using a small fluffy brush. Then go in with a matte sky blue eyeshadow to deepen that wing shape you've created. Then use a deep matte navy shadow to further define the outer corners of the crease. Then moving to take a matte black eyeshadow on the outer third of the lid and blending it inwards, but you'll want to do this with a light hand and build the intensity, as you can easily go too hard too soon with black eyeshadow. I'm then going back to that matte navy shade and smudging it under my lower lash line. Then I'm using some concealer and a small detail brush to carve out a rounded shape on the inner 2/3 of my lid, so I can place another colour there in a moment. With a flat brush, I'm packing a deep metallic sapphire shadow all over the lid space that I carved out. And then going back to that matte black eyeshadow to gently blur the edges of the two colours together. Then I'm using a black pencil eyeliner to line the upper and lower waterline. Then I'm using this new mascara that I got, which comes with a lash primer, but you can just go ahead and apply black mascara to the top and bottom lashes. Then I'm using Unicorn Tears from Too Faced Life's a Festival palette, which is a dual chrome eyeshadow that has a pale blue lavender shift to highlight my inner corners and under my brow bone. Then I'm using a bronzer to bring back some warmth to my face. Then I'm gently contouring my cheekbones, my temples and under my jawline to give my face some dimension. Then using a fan brush, I'm highlighting my cheekbones with Illamasqua's highlighting powder in Deity. Then I'm finishing off this look by lining my lips with NYX lip liner in Sandstorm and filling them in with their Lip Lingerie lipstick in Exotic.